Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today, we will see how to reboot dedicated server from the AccuWeb client area. If you want a PDF file of this video tutorial, you can download it from our Telegram channel AccuWeb Hosting. We have mentioned our Telegram channel link in the description. Kindly click on the link and find the PDF file of this video tutorial. Let's begin this tutorial. When you install Windows updates or security patches on your server, you'll often need to restart it. Restarting is like giving your server a fresh start by clearing out old stuff, such as programs and files, that might slow it down. Restarting the server can improve its performance and safety. It can also clean up unnecessary files, help to fix security problems, and even make it feel like new again. Remember to save any important stuff before you restart. If you want your server to work faster and smoother, restart it twice a month. This video will be applicable if you have a dedicated server other than Denver location. If you can't log in to your dedicated server due to high server resource usage, RAM and CPU, and need to restart it, you can do that from the AccuWeb client area. First, log in to your AccuWeb account. Next, go to the Services section and choose My Services. If you have more than one service with AccuWeb, use the filter on the left side of the screen. Click on Active to see only your active services. Pick the dedicated server you want to restart. For example, we're choosing the dedicated server named odosp 95860.demovpsdesk.com. Scroll down the screen and press the Reboot button to restart the server. After clicking Reboot, you'll see a confirmation window. Hit Confirm to restart the server. Usually, it takes 3 to 5 minutes to restart, but sometimes, like when there are pending Windows updates, it might take longer for the server to start up again. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to reboot dedicated server from the AccuWeb client area. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscriber button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to thumb up. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have the access of PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.